everyone, Julia Childs here. Today we're finally going to be applying the decal kit that came with my 2021 Orion RXB 150 XL. In order to do so, we're going to first be removing the paneling, and then we're going to be using scissors, a squeegee, a microfiber, isopropyl alcohol or contact cleaner, as well as a blow dryer or heat gun to do the job. So let's get started. All right, first we're going to remove the paneling. In order to do so, we need a 5mm and a 3mm Allen key. First step is to remove the seat. There's one extra nut and bolt in the front that needs to be removed, so in order to do that, we're going to be using the 5mm Allen key as well as the 10mm socket. And we will repeat this process on the other side. All right, let's go ahead and remove. Ta-da! All right, to remove these tiny guys back here, we are going to use a 3mm Allen key and an 8mm socket. Now we're going to use our 5mm Allen key in order to remove the bolts on the side. Hooray! All right, first we're going to prep the surface with our isopropyl alcohol. All right, so we're going to peel a little bit off on the back in the middle. And we are going to come in with our scissors. All right, and then we're going to try our best to center it. So now what we're doing is peeling the back off, and we're trying to avoid air bubbles as we go along with the placement. I hope this is correct. Now we're going to peel off the top layer. And there we go. Time to apply some isopropyl alcohol to the rear, the tail. And we have a tail. Now we're going to apply the swing arm decal. Now we're going to take off the brake line bracket in order to apply the decals to the fork guards. All right, so all the decals have been applied. The next step is to take a heat gun or a blow dryer to go along the graphic, especially around the edges, because we want to make sure that it shrinks a little bit so that when we go out in the heat, the edges don't peel up. So let's go ahead. And we'll repeat that process for the rest of the graphics. All right, so that was the application of the decals for the 2021 Orion RXB 150XL pit bike. I think the bike looks super cool now. Only thing is that was tedious and a little tricky in some parts. So if you're on the fence about assembly, I would, solely for the purpose of getting all of these graphics already applied. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!